Alright guys, this is video 1 on the 2001 Ford Ranger restoration, if you can believe it or not. When I say restoration, I usually think about Chevelles and stuff like that, but nope, we got a 01 Ford Ranger here, and it doesn't look bad in this frame, I guess, besides being very dirty. But it was wrecked several years ago pretty bad. As you can see, it's knocked the whole suspension off of it, the A-frames, ball joints, everything. Not to mention airbags have been deployed, and it was basically in the forest. So I've already removed some of the nests, but as you can see, rats have made a home in it, and it's sad to say that most of the interior is the same shape. I pulled a big nest out of the glove box, and as you can see, it's just super nasty. I mean, it's gross. You can see this. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to the interior. Anyways, I found this truck. It's got a good bit of sentimental value to us. The truck doesn't have any value, but it's got a good bit of sentimental value to my wife and me. And I'm gonna do the best I can to fix it up, if it can. And I'm not sure if it's got a bent frame yet or not, but if it does, I'll put a frame under it or have it straightened if it is able to be straightened. Long story short, I bought a parts truck for it. Exact same year truck, same color, and a whole lot better condition. The only difference in this one and the wrecked one is this one has gray interior. The other one has tan, and this is a flex fuel truck. The other one is not. But for the most part, this is pretty much the same truck. It's a 2001 Ford Ranger, just exactly like the other one, and it's not been wrecked. So like I said, this will be an excellent truck. I mean, I feel kind of crazy doing this because all this one needs is a head gasket, but it doesn't have any sentimental value to me or my wife. So this will be our parts truck to fix that one. That makes a whole lot of sense. But anyways, stay tuned. There's a whole lot of structural repair that's got to be done. All these, the radiator support and the inner fender structure, that's all spot welded on. So that's going to be a big job. Anyways, stay tuned for progress, and thanks for watching.